All right, welcome back. So we're going to continue on working with polynomial expressions. It says if c equals r plus 7 and d equals negative 2r plus 3, find an expression that equals 2c minus d in standard form. Okay. All right. So first thing, let me tell you what standard form is. And if you watched the last video, and you did the problems exactly as I told you to, you're going to be fine. Standard form is where you write the largest exponent first. So if you had every exponent starting with, let's say, x to the fourth in your problem, it would need to be x to the fourth plus or minus x to the third plus or minus x to the squared plus or minus x plus c, which is your constant. Okay, and if any of those terms are missing, you would just skip them. But you'd want to see your exponents in decreasing order. So exponents would be in decreasing order. Okay, so that's what they mean by standard form when you go to write the answer to this problem. All right, so they've told me that c equals r plus 7 and d equals negative 2r plus 3, and they want to know what 2c minus d is. Okay, they want me to plug in these polynomials. Okay, and that's a little different. We actually haven't plugged in a polynomial. We're usually plugging in a value. Okay, so I'm going to write 2 first, and for c, I'm going to put in parentheses r plus 7 minus, and then for d, I'm going to put that in parentheses, especially since I have that minus sign, negative 2r plus 3. Okay? All right, well, now that's just distributive property combined like terms. So I'm going to distribute the 2. I'm going to distribute the negative 1. So 2r, 2 times 7 is 14. Negative times a negative is plus 2r. And negative times 3 is minus 3. I'm going to combine like terms. So 2r and 2r is 4r, and 14 minus 3 is plus 11. Okay? All right, and it's in standard form because my variable has come first. Okay, so 4r plus 11. Submit my answer. Yes. Okay, and you can see here, same idea, and they just color coded it. Okay, I usually use my colors as well, but I forgot. Okay. All right, so let's go to the next type. Okay. All right. Nope, I don't want to show solution. New problem. Okay, no, let's switch to quadratic. There we go. Okay, so we've got A is 2s squared minus 10s minus 10, and we've got B as negative s minus 2. And this time we want to know what 2a minus 2b is. Okay? All right, so same idea. So really the key part of this activity or this assignment is that when you replace a, put parentheses around it. There's no parentheses here, but you want to put parentheses in the next step. All right, so 2s squared minus 10s minus 10 minus 2 parentheses negative s minus 2. Okay, so put parentheses and also put the polynomial. So this was a equals. Put the correct polynomial in the correct location. Okay, that's really what you're doing here. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to distribute. So 2 times 2s is 4s squared. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20s. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Negative 2 times negative s is plus 2s. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. All right. Combine like terms. I only have one s squared, so 4s squared. All right. Then I have a negative 20 plus 2, so negative 18s. And then I have a negative 20 plus 4, so I have a negative 16. Okay. So 4s squared minus 18s minus 16. Oh, I left off my s. Submit my answer. There we go. Okay. All right. So that is all you're going to be doing for this part of the assignment. Good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know.